In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog in Canva website. We'll start right on Canva's Home or Templates page. In the search bar, type blog or website so Canva can pull up layouts designed for blog-style pages. Browse through the options and pick a template that matches your topic and tone. Don't worry about it being perfect yet. You'll customize everything next. When you've chosen a design, click Customize this template to open it in the editor. Begin by clicking the background of your page. This lets you control the overall look and feel. You can fully change the colors to fit your brand or mood. Aim for good contrast so your text stays readable. Next, click on any text to rename it. Double-click to edit specific lines, like your main title or tagline. You can change the font, adjust size and spacing, and update the title to reflect your blog's purpose. Add any details about your blog. Think a short intro, what readers can expect, or a quick description of your niche. Keep it concise and friendly. Now, head to Uploads. Drag in your own images to replace placeholders in the template. High-quality photos make a big difference, so choose images that support your content and look clean within the layout. If the image sits inside a frame, just drop your photo over it to replace the preset image. If your template includes social icons, click on the ones you want to use. Then click More, choose Link, and paste the URL of your social page, whether that's Facebook, Instagram, X, or LinkedIn. Hit Enter to apply the link and repeat for the other icons you plan to show. If there are elements you don't need, remove or delete them to keep the page streamlined and focused. Before publishing, click Preview to see how everything looks. This is your chance to catch typos, spacing issues, or mismatched colors. In the preview settings, make sure Include Navigation menu is checked so visitors can easily move around your site if your design has multiple pages. When you're happy with it, click Publish Website. You'll be prompted to add a site address or name so people can find your blog. Choose something clear and memorable. If you already have your own domain, you can select Use a custom domain instead. Once that's set, confirm and publish your blog. That's it. Your Canva blog is live. Tweak and republish anytime as your content grows. Thanks for watching and enjoy building your new site.